Halo Lur, selamat datang kembali di channel Tubiak. Apa kabar semuanya hari ini? Admin doakan semua dalam keadaan sehat. Amin. Kali ini, kita akan menyaksikan reaksi dari 4 reaktor saat memeriksa Alip Ba Ta Nam. Mari kita mulai Lur.
Watch Alip Ba Ta to play Numb by Linkin Park. Let's go ahead, let's kill this one.
To say, like, whenever I listen to Alip Ba Ta, like, he's literally only playing one instrument, but it's like he's giving you an entire experience. He's giving you the full musical arrangement. Like, there are so many things going on, and you know, it's literally one instrument, but it feels like there are so many. If you just close your eyes, you feel like there are so many instruments, so many things going on.
Like, this guy, he could probably like play a whole entire concert by himself. He doesn't need a roadie. He doesn't need a drummer. He doesn't need anything. He can just go ahead and jam by himself. I love the little harmonics he does. What really got me in there is like, he pretty much went to the, you know, to the headstock and just pressed that string to get that nice little, it's almost like bending the string.
Done it again. He's made it just sound so beautiful and emotional. I actually feel it in my voice a little bit. This is,
I mean, you know, I'm a guitar player myself. Well, I like to think I am. I'm not that good. There's so many different techniques he's using there. Of course, he's doing that. Is it Newton Faulkner? Guy who came out years ago, you know, doing all the body slapping on the guitar and everything, get that kind of, you know, that rhythmic percussion going on there, all sorts of finger tapping and natural harmonics. I noticed at one point there as well, he did a bend behind the nut on the guitar, kind of almost like Tony Iommi did on Iron Man. Down. No known fact if some of you didn't know that.
But that one caught my eye. So I mean, those are the things like, you can tell this guy knows his instrument inside and out. I mean, those are the things like, he put his time in plus with the talent combination, just become an amazing, amazing guitar player.
And that's like such a cool talent to have. And it's so precise, like the precision that he has, and just the, you know, the sound, the quality, everything that he puts in together is just so masterfully done. So,
And those harmonics. Oh, nice. That's a good one.
Carrying the rhythm and the lead line again, just a perfection. That super simple setup. Look at it, it's brilliant. Just him and a cheap acoustic guitar. Screw all the Kempers and the Les Pauls and, you know, your Takaminis and everything, and have this guy just is just someone else. I said it before. He makes people look like they can't play the guitar.
Well, it would be a little known fact if not many people with it. I'm always impressed by people who you know. Yeah, let's carry on. You don't want to hear me talking. Let's listen.
It's mesmerising, like genuinely mesmerising. Done it again. I love it. He did that in the last song when he puts his little flamenco lines in.
Here. I gotta say, like, and whenever I watch him, it inspires me to play guitar more. But I gotta say, this guy could like pick any music and then make a rendition of his own and make it sound amazing. His guitar fills in there, like when he goes through like the scales and stuff like that. Amazing.
of course, he has to add something crazy like that in the middle, right? He's like, wait a minute, this is too easy. Let me just add a little bit of that lick there. It was so good.
There again.
That was beautiful. That was beautiful. Those natural harmonics he was doing. Ding, 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 ding. Absolutely beautiful. That's such a beautiful skill to be able to have. Imagine having that, you know what I mean?
I'd love to know the process of how he figures out how to cover these songs. I'd love to know, does he just listen to the track and go, right, I'm going to break this down, learn the chord structure, learn the scales, you know, and then go from it? Or does he just listen to it and just, is he that good he just plays how he feels? You know, these seem to all be like one takes. It doesn't look like he's got a lot of equipment going on.
To just sit down and just play like that. There was a few times as well. No, it seemed to me, maybe I was reading it wrong, but it seemed like he was almost wincing. There was points when he was playing, he was kind of, you know, where maybe he'd made a very, very slight mistake. That sounded absolutely beautiful. Do you know what I mean? To play that, that was pretty damn incredible, man.
Every time he plays, like, I almost want to start singing with him. I feel like I want to do a duet with Ali Bata. Oh my God, his fingerstyle cover is just...
can't be a flute. Beautiful ending.
4 reaktor terlihat sangat terpukau saat menyaksikan Alip Ba Ta membawakan Nam dengan gaya fingerstyle. Dari detik pertama, permainan gitarnya berhasil menarik perhatian mereka. Setiap petikan gitar Alip Ba Ta seolah memiliki cerita yang tersendiri, membawa mereka ke dalam suasana emosional yang begitu mendalam dan penuh makna. Mereka semua sepakat bahwa Alip Ba Ta memiliki kemampuan luar biasa dalam memadukan melodi dan harmoni dengan begitu mulus. Tidak ada nada yang terlewat atau terdengar tidak pada tempatnya. Semuanya dimainkan dengan sempurna dan penuh perasaan, menciptakan pengalaman mendengarkan yang begitu memikat. Reaktor bahkan mengakui bahwa mereka bisa mendengarkan versi ini berulang kali tanpa merasa bosan. Ketika Alip Ba Ta mulai menambahkan elemen-elemen khasnya seperti tapping dan harmonik, para reaktor semakin terkesima. Mereka tidak hanya mengagumi tekniknya yang rumit, tetapi juga cara dia memasukkan elemen-elemen ini dengan begitu alami. Setiap nada yang dimainkan Alip Ba Ta terasa begitu berkesan, seolah dia berhasil menyampaikan emosi yang mendalam hanya melalui petikan gitarnya. Para reaktor pun memperhatikan bagaimana Alip Ba Ta tampak sangat tenang dan percaya diri selama penampilannya. Bagi mereka, ini bukan hanya soal teknik bermain gitar, tetapi juga soal bagaimana Alip Ba Ta mampu menyampaikan pesan dan emosi melalui musiknya. Mereka merasakan kedalaman emosi yang terpancar dari setiap petikan gitarnya, mulai dari kesedihan hingga harapan. Salah satu momen paling menonjol adalah ketika para reaktor terdiam sejenak, terhanyut dalam keindahan permainan gitar Alip Ba Ta. Mereka sepakat bahwa bakat alami Alip Ba Ta jarang ditemukan dan sangat istimewa. Meskipun tampaknya sederhana, permainan gitarnya memiliki kompleksitas dan kedalaman yang sulit dijelaskan dengan kata-kata, membuat para reaktor benar-benar terkesan dan terpukau. Para reaktor juga memuji bagaimana Alip Ba Ta tidak hanya berfokus pada teknis, tetapi juga pada perasaan yang ingin ia sampaikan melalui setiap nadanya. Mereka merasa bahwa setiap nada yang dimainkan memiliki makna, membawa mereka masuk lebih dalam ke dalam suasana yang diciptakan oleh musiknya. Bagi mereka, Alip Ba Ta tidak hanya seorang pemain gitar, tetapi juga seorang seniman yang mampu menyampaikan kisah melalui senar-senarnya. Reaktor akhirnya sepakat bahwa Alip Ba Ta adalah seorang musisi yang sangat berbakat dan memiliki masa depan cerah di dunia musik. Penampilannya dalam membawakan Num dengan gaya fingerstyle membuktikan bahwa musik tidak memerlukan lirik untuk menyampaikan emosi. Setiap petikan gitarnya mampu menyentuh hati siapa saja yang mendengarnya, meninggalkan kesan mendalam dan menginspirasi banyak orang di seluruh dunia. Itulah lur untuk reaksi kali ini. Sampai jumpa lagi di video selanjutnya bersama channel Tubiak. Admin ucapkan terima kasih banyak telah menonton.